Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Friends, it takes lots of effort to make a video and to bring it on screen. I will be really thankful if you can subscribe my channel and help me in growing my channel. So today we will be doing an unboxing and a review of Osmo Mobile 3 by DJI. It's a combo kit. With the box, you will get Osmo Mobile 3 gimbal, carry case, mini tripod, power cable, storage pouch and a strap. For using the gimbal, you can download their app. It's available on Android and Apple Store also. Some information provided on warranty. Now let us see things one by one which are provided in the box. First thing is the mini tripod. It is fully made up of high grade plastic with good anti-skidding rubber grips on the legs and a fixed bolt to clamp your gimbal. The second thing which you get is a charging cable and it's a Type-C cable. A strap which you can attach to your gimbal so doesn't falls out from your hand. A storage pouch. It's a big size pouch. The fabric is also good. Some instruction manual, you can refer it if you get stuck somewhere. This is the carry case with Osmo DJI branding on it. I must say, the build quality is really awesome. You get a pocket behind, in case if you would like to carry your charger cable or any small stuff, it can go easily. Now let us see the gimbal. They have also provided a box strap. This is our DJI Osmo Mobile 3 gimbal. The biggest advantage is that it's a portable device. You can just fold it and carry easily with you. This makes it different from other gimbal in the market. Now let us attach to the tripod. I did not like one thing about this gimbal is that it cannot stand flat on the surface as there is a curvy shape on the bottom, so you will always need to set up on a given tripod. The fitment is very easy, just rotate it clockwise and your gimbal is ready to use. Now let us attach the mobile to the gimbal. They have given an instruction sticker which indicates which side your phone camera should be. Now let us take our phone, and one thing to be taken care of is that just see that your phone buttons are not getting pressed all the time when you have attached to the gimbal clip. Just try to balance it by keeping the mobile in the center. If it falls one side, then shift it opposite side and you will get your results. Before starting, I will recommend you to kindly install the DJI Mimo app from the App Store. I have already installed and just have to connect it. So now our gimbal is connected to the phone app. Now let us see the function of all the buttons given on the gimbal one by one. The biggest button is the joystick. You can move your camera in any direction by using this joystick. But I found that there is a limitation in both the axes. It will pan and tilt up to a certain degree and then it will stop. Now let us see the button M. By pressing M one time, it will change from photo to video mode or from video to photo mode. By pressing the M button two times, it will change from portrait mode to landscape mode or vice versa. You can use as per your conveniency. By pressing the M button 3 times, it will go in the sleep mode. You can again press 3 times and it will be activated. Now let us talk about the red button. By pressing the red button one time, you can get a photo if you are in a photo mode. And if you switch to video mode and if you press the red button, it will start your shooting. On the sides, you are getting the zoom button. Now you can zoom out and zoom in easily just by holding the buttons. I will not recommend to use this feature as you will not get a good video quality. Now let us see the trigger functions. Press and hold the trigger button and it will activate the lock mode. This will help you in getting good cinematic shots. Double tapping and hold will initiate your sports mode. This will increase your pan speed and you will be able to capture running objects quickly without missing anything. Release the trigger and the sports mode will get deactivated. By pressing the trigger button 2 times, we'll reset your gimbal. By clicking the trigger 3 times, you will be able to switch from back camera to front camera or vice versa. The sides, you are getting 2 ports. One is for charging your gimbal and the second one is for charging your phone from the gimbal battery. The charging and the audio port will no longer get blocked by the gimbal motors. I tried to rotate in each moment and it was working properly. Talking about the gimbal battery, it will last up to 12 hours and charging the gimbal fully will take 2 to 3 hours maximum. They have also given the provision to attach counterweights to the gimbal. You can attach the weights and can use any kind of mobile lens available in the market. I hope you have liked all the features available with this gimbal. If you have liked my video, kindly do subscribe my channel and also share with your friends. Thank you.